Okay guys, so here we are in Sumarekon, Bekasi in Steak 21 restaurants that located in the plane. So this one is kind of different guys, not in the mall, in the building, but in the plane, inside the plane. Let's see guys, how's inside. So that's connected to the building over there. So I think we need to go there first and then we go inside the plane. So as you can see from here, they use the uniform like a pilot and stewardess guys. So let's try the food later on guys. So let's see how's inside the the plane. Alright guys. Okay guys, so there's Charlotte and mommy. Charlotte's wearing boot guys. So the stewardess guys. Oh, they have also a place if you want to sit outside here. So stewardess and pilot. Wow. Halo. Ini yang bukan all you can eat ya? Oh, oke. So it's just like, wow. Oh harus order dulu di sini. So guys we have to make order first.
Iya, biasa tinggal menunggu aja.
Oh,
Kalau minumannya datang.
oke.
Atau mau dilihat dulu sambil duduk nggak apa-apa Bu.
So guys we have to
Langsung aja.
order first here, and then we go in the plane just wait for the
Iya, dagingnya
food.
bisa.
So that's like the ticket guys.
Satu ya, kita makan satu apapun ya. Bentar, baik.
So guys, after we place order, then we go inside the plane, guys. So this is, you can see the plane from outside, and this is the Steak 21 Airlines. So there's the boarding pass. Okay.
Bantu ulang dulu pesanannya. Ada coklatnya dua ya.
Okay, we got the boarding pass over there, guys. Show me, guys. Cha. Oh, only got one for all. The boarding pass. Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. Let's see inside, guys. Let's try the food inside. All right. Thank you. So this is. Okay. All right. Thank you. So we're gonna use lift guys on the right side. So this is the lift. Okay. Thank you. All right. We're inside the lift now. The elevator. So only. Okay, guys. So the lift, the elevator should be open. Then this is the kitchen, I think, and so there's an outdoor area over there. That's the kitchen, guys. So this is the way to the plane. Wow, guys, look. Wow, is it a real plane? I think it's a real plane, right? But not used anymore. So let's see, guys, inside. Wow, you don't need to show the boarding pass. No need. Right. Number 31. This is the represent the number, or you can sit anywhere you want. Hah? Ini duduknya sembarang aja ya, Om? Sesuai ini?
Boleh boarding
Ya.
pass. 31. Ada yang pinter ya?
Oh, 2 chairs only. It's okay, nanti kan tinggal jalan. Yeah. Alright. So this is our table, guys. Number 31. So,
Oh, muter toh.
alright. So let's see first inside, guys. So this is like a restaurant. Wow. See, there's a table, guys. The window, I mean. It's not that big, guys. Okay, until there, guys. You can see. Okay, there's the food's coming. Okay, guys. Okay, so let's wait for the food later, guys. So let us later, guys, whether this is from the real plane or not. So this is the sofa that they're gonna use for the guests to sit on. Alright. That's the cashier. Oh, hi Melchan. Hi. Alright. Okay, guys, I think so. That's it. The review of the plane Instinct 21. Ini pesawat beneran ya, Om? Tadinya?
Ya,
Oh ya?
47 Pak.
Boeing 747. Okay. Mommy, so this is the real plane, Boeing 747. Yeah. So guys, this is the real plane, actually Boeing 747. So okay, so this is the review of the condition of the plane. After this, you're gonna see the video of Let's Try the Food, guys. Okay, see you guys.